Stashaway has changed the way people think about saving and investing, but most users don't realize the full potential of its automation features. The best trick to maximize your savings starts with understanding risk-adjusted portfolios. Stashaway offers different risk levels, from conservative to aggressive. By choosing the right allocation based on your financial goals and time horizon, you can grow your money efficiently without unnecessary stress. Automation is the real game changer. By setting up a recurring deposit, even as low as $50 a month, you take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. This reduces the impact of market volatility and ensures steady portfolio growth over time. Pair this with the auto-rebalance feature, which adjusts your portfolio to maintain your desired risk level, and your investments remain optimized at all times. Stashaway also offers goal-based investing. Define specific financial targets, like an emergency fund, a vacation, or early retirement. By linking each goal to a separate portfolio with a tailored risk profile, your money works smarter, not harder. The platform calculates how much to invest and how often, removing guesswork. Over months and years, this systematic approach can turn small, consistent contributions into significant savings. Another overlooked trick is taking advantage of Stashaway Simple, which allows instant liquidity without sacrificing returns. Funds in Simple are accessible anytime while still earning better interest than traditional savings accounts. Combining goal-based portfolios with Simple ensures that you have both growth and accessibility. Consistency is key. Automate deposits, let rebalancing work, and focus on long-term growth rather than daily market movements. Over time, the compounding effect turns small, regular contributions into a substantial financial buffer. This is the most effective Stashaway trick: smart, automated, and disciplined saving without active management, maximizing returns while keeping your money secure and flexible.